How do we use table of values for evaluating composite functions? That is what we are going to learn in this particular video. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Here we have a very interesting example seen most of the time in test papers. So we are given x values, and for those x values, we are given three different functions: f of x, g of x, and h of x. What are we going to do? Well, we'll evaluate composite functions g of f of 3, g of h of g of f of h of g of 3, and f of g of 2 minus 1. So that is what we are going to do for the given data in the table. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So let's begin with the very first one, which is we'll find what is g of f of 3. So the idea here is to first evaluate the inside function, which is f of 3. F of 3 is the value of the function f of x when x is equal to 3. Clear? So, clearly f of 3 is minus 2. So we can write this as g of minus 2, right? Since f of 3 is minus 2. Now g of minus 2 really means the value of g when x is minus 2. So for x equals to minus 2, the value of g is 2, and therefore this should be equal to 2. So I hope the whole process is absolutely clear. Have a good look at it, understand, and then try the other two, right? Perfect. Now let's try this composite function which has all the three components, right? F of h of g of 0. So we'll definitely begin with g of 0. So at 0, what is the value? Well, at 0, g of 0 is minus 1. So you can rewrite this as f of h of whatever the value of g of 0 is, which is minus 1. Make sense? Okay. Now, what is h of minus 1? H of minus 1 means you look into when x is 1, what is the value of h? Well, that is minus 2. So we can write this as, let me rewrite so that I get more space. We have f of h of minus 1. And now we're trying to find what is h of minus 1. It is minus 2. So we'll do f of minus 2. Okay? And f of minus 2 means for minus 2, we are going to check the value, which is equal to 0, and therefore this answer should be equal to 0. Is that clear to you? Perfect. So I hope it is absolutely clear. The last one here is f of g of 2 minus 1. So let's try to do this. So inside function, once again, is, let me erase all these, right? Okay, inside function, which is g of 2, is what? Let's write down f of g of 2 is the value. When x is 2, g of 2 is 3. So we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. We'll write f of 2. And f of 2 will be, add 2, the value is 2. Right? So we get answer as 2. Do you see that? So that is how you read the values through the table and get your answer. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.